What is up, Hollywood stars? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you this beautiful like spotlight moment makeup look, and I created this look by using the new Zodiac palette. I mean, new to me, and honestly it's so bomb, you guys. Let me just show you the cover real quick, a little teaser. So this is what it looks like. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, then just keep watching, and as always, don't forget to shine bright 'cause it's Low Hollywood time. What is up, you guys? So today we finally have a new palette. I know I've been playing with the Jawbreaker like non-stop, but today I decided let's bust out a new palette because I bought this like maybe a couple weeks ago and I still haven't used it. So yeah, so the palette is the Zodiac palette. This is by BH Cosmetics and this is the Love Signs. I believe they do have another Zodiac palette that came out before this one, and it's slightly different than this one, but this one appealed to me the most. Oh my god, I've seen this one like so much, but the Love Sign one was so pretty, so I was like, I just have to get it. So this is what the cover looks like. So cute. And then in the back, it tells you a little bit more information. It has 24 eyeshadows. And then it has like a sleeve, so we'll take this off. I honestly haven't even seen it since the day I bought it, so we'll see. So this is what it looks like once you take the sleeve off. Let's open it up. So yeah, it has 24 eyeshadows and one highlighter. So let's see. Oh my god, it's so freaking pretty. Okay, so first it has one of these little protective sleeves just to protect your eyeshadows. Wow, this looks so beautiful. I love how it looks. Look how gorgeous this is. So these on the outer circle are very metallic-y from what I could tell, and then these in the inner circle are more matte shades. So I love how they incorporated very vibrant colors, but you have mattes and you have shimmer slash metallics, and then you have this gorgeous highlight shade right here. So I'm really excited to play with this. I don't even know what I want to do. I am wearing like this lemon print dress, so it's you know, turquoise, gold, yellow, so I might play with those colors since I do have a nice variety here. So let's get started with skin, and then I'll come back and show you the eyeshadow. Okay, so I decided, what the heck, let me just show you guys the skin part. So I'm just gonna start off with my Farsali Skin Tune Blur Primer. You guys know I love this, except this applicator. It's just like so freaking weird. I don't even know like why they did this. Maybe I have the like bad one, because every other one that I've seen that people use like in videos and stuff, like it comes out so smooth, and I'm like, dude, like what is going on? And for foundation today, I have a little sample here of MAC Studio Fix in NW15. I really like this foundation, and actually I really like the shade. It's really warm tone, but it works so good with my color right now. So that's what we're gonna be using today. When I have little samples like this, I like to take like a flat brush and just kind of pick it up that way, and then just like paint it on. And then we'll blend it out afterwards with a beauty blender. I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape for concealer slash highlighting, since it is a little bit lighter than my skin tone. I'm setting with my Huda Beauty Pound Cake Powder. So today I did want to switch it up for you guys, so I'm going to be using this palette by the Coco Collection times Kylie. So this is by Kylie Cosmetics. I really like the bronzer here. It's really pretty. So it comes with the blush and two highlights as well. So we're going to go ahead and use the bronzer. I'm going to be using my really good brush that I love using. This is the Morphe R2 brush. You don't even have to wear blush either if you don't want to, but you guys know I love blush, so I probably am gonna wear blush. I am, however, going to take my Hoola bronzer and my M6 brush. This brush, again, is from the Britney Bear x Morphe collaboration. So we're going to use this just to chisel out the nose just a slightly bit.
Oh, that's stuck.
I am also going to take my Morphe R4 brush and a little bit more of this Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to actually just kind of contour slightly, just so I have a little bit more of a chiseled cheekbone. I am going to go back into the Huda powder and just grab a little bit so I can kind of chisel this out. Then I'm going to take my brush here. This is the JS2, just to kind of dust it off. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the brows off camera and we'll jump right into the eyeshadow. Alright you guys, so I have the brows done, I primed the eyelids, so now I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this brush right here. I mentioned this before, it's so bomb. This is the JS6 brush and I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right in. Look how beautiful it is. So stunning. So let's see. First, I guess I'll do like a little transition shade. So let's go for this one right here. So this is right underneath Cancer, which is this beautiful mustardy shade. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this right into the crease. Ooh, that's such a pretty shade. And now I'm going to go ahead and start to work it in a little bit closer to the inner corner and a little bit higher up to the brow bone. Just because this shade, I really want the shade to pop when we add the other colors. So now I'm going to go ahead and jump into this shade right here. It's right underneath Capricorn, which is a beautiful teal shade. So we're gonna grab some of that and we're gonna literally pop this right here in the center into the socket and work it back and forth towards the outer and inner crease. And then once it's on there, you can start to blend it out a little bit just so it can be nice and blended with the first shade. I am going to take a little bit more of that mustardy yellow shade and just kind of work it right up here. I'm next taking this shade right under Aquarius. It's like a really beautiful deep, like I don't even know, turquoise shade, like really deep. And we're just gonna really concentrate this into the very, very crease. That's why this brush is so perfect for this. So you basically start in the outer crease and then concentrate most of the product there, and then whatever's left, drag your brush into the middle and inner crease. I'm going to take a clean brush and I am going to blend out these outer edges. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit more of that shade and we're going to add it right into the outer corner and the inner corner. I am going to dust off a little bit too. Ooh, that looks so pretty. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna play with the shimmery metallic shades. So let's see, what should we pop in there? I think I really want to stick with, I think, you know what? I think I'm gonna go with Capricorn, which is this beautiful turquoise metallic shade. I'm taking the same brush and we're just gonna see how this works. Ooh. Wow, that's so pretty. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm so glad we went with this shade. This looks stunning. This palette is bomb, you guys. Like, you need this palette in your life. Okay, so make sure that your brush is nice and clean. Make sure there's no residue because we're going to start to do the inner corner, and for that I think I really want to jump into Cancer. So Cancer is this beautiful gold shade right there. So I'm just going to grab some of this in my brush, dust a little bit off, and just start to work this in the inner corner. Ooh, that looks so pretty. I do want to intensify this a little bit more, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into the highlighter shade right in the center and apply this right on top of that gold. So it just kind of gives it a different tone, not too gold. Then I'm going to take a little bit more of that middle shade and just kind of dust it up here into the brow bone. So pretty. So pretty. I love the way this looks. I'm gonna take my, this is the JS2, and just kind of dust anything off. I am going to take my Breakfast at Tiffany's liner, and we're just gonna go ahead and line the waterline. I'm going to take my brush that you know I love so much. This is the Morphe M578 brush. This is great for your lower lash line. So we're going to take that matte shade right underneath Capricorn and dust this right underneath the liner. That honestly looks so good. So let's go ahead and add some mascara. I'm going to be using the Roller Lash by Benefit. And I'm also going to add a generous coat to the lower lashes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let this mascara dry, and while that dries, we're gonna go ahead and start with the blush. So I'm gonna pick up a oldie but a goodie. This is my very old NARS Orgasm, but I love the shade so much. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that into our cheeks. For highlight, I'm going to be taking this beautiful one by Fenty Beauty. This is the How Many Carats Diamond Bomb highlight, and let's pop this on. I'm going to take this brush right here. This is the M521 by Morphe. So we're just going to grab some of this beautiful highlight. It looks so beautiful. It's like wet looking. For the nose, I am going to add some of the Amrezy highlight. I love this for the nose. And we're going to go ahead and set the skin. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop some lashes on, and I will be right back to show you the lip. Alright you guys, so I did pop on the lashes, and oh my god, these lashes are so bomb, like so bomb. So the ones that I used today are from Batty Bee Lashes, and these are in the style Instaho. I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh my god, they're so stunning. Like, bomb, right? So I'm definitely gonna have to invest in some more of these. I definitely really love this style because they're full all the way around. They're bomb. So for the lips, I did sort of line my lips ever so slightly. This is the lip liner by Bare Minerals, and this is in the shade Borderline. So it's pretty close to my natural lip color. So I just kind of wanted something pretty natural. Okay, and for the lips, I kind of want to do something like liquid lipstick because I haven't done a liquid lipstick in so long. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade Stripped. This is like the exact same color of the liner. Ooh, this looks so good. I kind of am living for this like matte lipstick look. I don't know if I want to add a gloss. I don't think I am. So I don't know what the heck. I need to definitely get like a facial because I don't know what's going on in this area. It's looking a little bit clogged. Alright you guys, so this concludes this video. I really hope you enjoyed the makeup look. I honestly feel like it came out so freaking bomb, and the palette is so good. Like, you need to go out and get it, and it's so affordable too. I can't remember how much it was because I did get it a little bit ago, but it was like really inexpensive. So definitely give it a go. Like, you can never have too many palettes, especially if they're that bomb. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved this makeup look, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already. That way you can be part of this Hollywood star family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.